All right, welcome back everybody to another episode of NowTeslafy. It's been a bit, but I've got some awesome accessories for you to check out, and this episode is all about organization and brought to you by my great friends at Jowua. So they make some of the best products for Teslas, and on top of that, they make some of the best products for organizing your Tesla. Let's get started. All right, so first, the center console. I've had this for quite a while. It's probably one of my first accessories I bought for my Tesla, and I love it. So this organizer tray seems really simple, but has some great things going on. There's this change section here that has some nubs at the bottom that make it really easy for you to be able to pick up your change, because what good is a change area if you can't actually get the change, right? Then obviously it fits things like your chapstick, pens, and sunglasses perfectly. The other thing that you might not think about that's really quite handy is that this gap here not only acts as a good lever to be able to push that forward, but also allows for me to bring up these cords and use them. And as we can see under here, oh, look at that, another Jowua product. So this is one of my favorites. It's so funny. I'm really some of the creative stuff that they come up with. This light bar is fantastic. So I'm having it charged in here right now. It looks like it's ready to go, and that's one of the things that's charging in here, and it's just a magnet, so I can pluck that sucker off and I'm good to go. So now I can show you guys in here really good what we have. So funny enough, I also have my simple AirPods charger that just simply goes up here and puts the AirPods in a good spot. But as you can see, this makes for great access down in here. This light makes it great for being able to take a look down in there if you need it. And that brings us to the armrest cover. So this is also pretty awesome because it also accounts for things like access to the adapter charger here, and conveniently this light stick goes right in here. Another Jowua product that I've got here, which is pretty great, this also fits into the lighter adapter here, but USB-C fast charging and another USB port. So another really great product, very simple, and also can be used in the trunk too. Great spot for the light bar if you need quick access to a light accessory. Additional charging for the 12-volt port here, and has a really nice rubber coated finish. And then also this makes it really easy for you to lift this tray out. Doesn't slide, but it makes it easy for you to lift out, and of course get to your baby wipes, the best kept secret for keeping your white interior clean. And then fits in there nice and snug. Of course, all of Jowua's products come with this great liner that's easily removable, slightly tacky, but doesn't attract a lot of dust either, because some of these will attract dust and debris. But you can easily take this rubber attachment out and keep that nice and clean as well. So we got the light stick, we've got the two accessories here for the console, easy slide, easy cleaning. Let's take a look at what we have for the back. All right, I am super excited. I got this brand new set of cubby holders for the left and right of the rear of the Model Y. Now, currently, here's what my right cubby looks like. I've got a bunch of stuff crammed in there. And things fall down all the time. So I've already got this first one installed, and as you can see, it fits in almost perfectly with the back carpet. And we get this really cool tab that allows us to still access it, and check that out. So that is now a rubber lining, and we can see down in there again with a handy Jowua light. I love this thing. This thing is like understated. Like, I'm going to talk about it a lot, but it's rechargeable anyway. So this is amazing, but look how nice and deep that is. And I just got done vacuuming out that cubby. So we're going to do the same thing with the right side so you can see what that looks like. But I can now pull out this liner, I can wash it, I can clean it, and I can shove whatever I want in there. So I'm going to put all this stuff back in there. Fits in there perfectly. Again, here's the light so you can see what's going on. Pretty awesome. And then, of course, we can put the cover back on. And now we can even put stuff on top of that and still have additional room there, especially handy for maybe groceries you don't want to lose. All right, so let's get to emptying this guy out and installing the other side. Alright, so as you can see, we got the right one installed. I was trying to, if you saw in the time lapse, I thought maybe you could like collapse the bottom just a little bit, set it in there so maybe you could put stuff underneath and have it as an additional separator, but didn't quite work out that way. I also really love how this just blends in very nicely with either side. So you can barely tell. Now, one important note that Jowua mentioned, when you are ordering these, you need to find out if you have a model that has the carpet that goes halfway up or all the way to the top. There is a difference, and you'll need to specify that when you order it. And also, don't forget to use my coupon code, NowTeslafy, and you get 5% off your entire order. So if you got multiple Model Ys or multiple products, you want to get some of those lights, 5% off the entire order. Pretty cool. And last but certainly not least, we have these amazing collapsible carrying containers. They are also waterproof, so we can use them to wash our car, and it comes with this microfiber towel set as well. So let's take a look at what these look like expanded. All right, so we've got one of these expanded fully. Again, watertight, so we can put in, if you do the 2-bucket method, this is perfect. You got your soap and then your rinse. I left this one collapsed just so you could see, and also comes with these it comes with 3 towels, 2 of the small ones, which are great for either interior detailing or for scrubbing, and then we have the full-size microfiber. These are super soft. These buckets also come in really handy for just carrying things around. They have really sturdy handles on them too, so that makes it really simple for you to be able to grab stuff, put a bunch of things in there, and tote them around. You got cold beers, load it up with ice and put some beers in there and tote it off to a picnic. So awesome stuff here by Jowua. So there you have it, some of the best products you can get right now for your Tesla to help you keep organized in all those storage spaces, make them easy to clean and maintain, and also provide a lot of consideration for design that maybe some other brands don't think about. And that's one of the things I love most about Jowua. Great customer service too. All very important things. So why not get the best stuff for your Tesla? Jowua provides that stuff. So again, thank you so much to Jowua. Thank you so much for watching and sticking around. And again, don't forget to use my discount code NowTeslafy for 5% off your entire order. So you get an additional discount if they happen to be running a sale too. Fantastic stuff. So thank you all so much for watching. And if you like this content, please comment, subscribe, questions. I'm happy to ask. Additional pictures, whatever you want, let me know. I'll get it for you. Follow me on X, NowTeslafy. Peace.